Are you a designer or contractor looking to enhance your projects, boost your profits, and reach more clients? Let us introduce you to the Trade Advantage Network from Antique Hardware Supply. As a member, you'll get a free listing in our online directory, which is visited by hundreds of thousands of customers every year. These are homeowners and businesses actively searching for top-tier professionals like you. You'll also receive a private login to our website, where you can view your exclusive trade discounts, up to 50% off MSRP, instantly. This allows you to pass the savings along to your clients or keep the difference to increase your profit margins. Our catalog is packed with over 150,000 unique and inspiring design elements, from antique hardware to luxury lighting. These products help you deliver standout results and often inspire your clients to expand their budgets. With free shipping on hardware orders over $50, fulfilling your project needs is easy and cost-effective. The Trade Advantage Network gives you the tools to not only impress your clients, but also boost your bottom line. And the best part? Joining is completely free and only takes a few minutes. Don't miss the opportunity to grow your business, save big, and inspire your clients. Visit AntiqueHardwareSupply.com now to join the Trade Advantage Network and take your business to the next level.